Hello beautiful people of this beautiful planet, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Aditi Bhati. It's 28th of June 2021 and it's the day that I move into my first ever apartment in London. I am beyond excited, even if I don't think you can see that right now, but I'm beyond excited. It's like a lot of emotions. Wow, I can't believe I'm actually saying it. I'm moving to my first apartment in London. I am on my way right now and I'll be reaching there soon. Just arrived at the apartment to realize they have not given any blankets, duvets or any bed sheets at all, and it's about 6:30 right now. Everything shuts off in London about this time, so I need to go out and get some stuff, otherwise I don't have anything for the night. This is what the bedroom looks like right now. There's a good bed but no sheets, no covers. And similarly the other bedroom, just a bed. There's nothing in the cupboards or anything. I am so thankful for the existence of internet right now, because I just googled the place that I was going to go to at the mall, and turns out they don't have in-store purchase. So basically you pre-order and pick up stuff from there, or you get them delivered. So if I would have gone there, I would have wasted my time and ended up with nothing. Thank you, Google. So I found another place which is a little bit far from here. It will take me about 45 minutes to reach there, but it's up until 9 p.m. and it's a proper place where you can get all the beddings and bed sheets and everything. It's basically a store for that. So I'm headed there now. Let's go. Can't find the bloody store. There's not even any store locator. I mean, I know which shop it is, but I don't know how to find that shop. Ugh! I don't want to sleep in cold. I've come to the end of the mall. I can't find it anywhere. Damn it. I found it. I found the store finally. That's the store. Okay, so Argos is basically a digital shop which I was witnessing for the first time. तो होता क्या है, there are tablets all around the shop, and just like in online shopping, आप products browse करते हो and you select what you want to buy, put them in your trolley, pay for it, and then you get a receipt. वो receipt आप staff member को देते हो and they bring your product from their in-store warehouse. So basically जो products उनके पास available होते हैं warehouse में, those are the products that you can select from the tablets. I got myself a duvet and a bed sheet. So that was my first purchase. And since because of COVID, I couldn't have my friends or family over to help me with the move-in or to celebrate my first night at the apartment, so I decided to celebrate myself. I got myself some flowers, some food, and of course what's a celebration without some wine. However, I'm a wine newbie, so मुझे कोई idea नहीं था which wine to take. So there was an Italian couple in the shop which helped me with this one. And I also got this. But on my way home, the milk bottle actually got nicked, so there was milk dripping all the way back home, unfortunately. Yeah, great. I mean, if this doesn't happen to me, how else would you define my life? This is the definition of me. So I don't even have any dishes or anything in this house that I can put stuff in. Success! This coffee maker has come out to be a success for me. Otherwise this milk would have gone to waste. But I'm glad it was the milk bottle that was broken and not this. I would have cried my eyes out if it was this instead of the milk. So something's good, something's positive. Feeling so loved right now. This place doesn't have any equipments to cook food, no crockery, nothing at all. So I didn't know that. I just came here just like that. I would have ordered something anyway. But my auntie, before coming here, she didn't even know that. She packed food for me. All the Indian stuff. Everything. Rice, dal, sabzi. There's yogurt. There's everything. This is so sweet. I feel so blessed right now. I'm happy to have home cooked food in my home for the first time. And I didn't have to cook it, which is a bonus. So to celebrate my first day, I got myself some wine, strawberries, I got myself some flowers, and of course a scented candle. And I'm gonna be drinking this wine along with my friends.
Cheers! 1, 2, 3.
Cheers! Congratulations to me! I forgot to get its cover. Thanks for tomorrow. Okay, so I'm not dying of cold tonight. Yay! No hypothermia tonight. Cool. I need a cover for this, so I'm gonna get tomorrow. This is cool for now. And here's the bed sheet. I had a bed sheet. Oh, I've got sheets. I've got my blanket. I'm adulting. I'm buying all these stuff. I've never had to buy all these kind of stuffs for me. Wow. And I'm living in an apartment all by myself in London. Like, I haven't said that enough in this video already. But this is exciting. This is new. And it's a lot of emotions. It's not just excitement. It's just a lot of confusion. A little bit of anxiety, a little bit of feeling homesick, missing mom, missing my dad, missing everyone, and like, yeah, I also want to party with my friends in this apartment a lot. I want to do all sorts of crazy stuff in this apartment, but at the same time I want my family, and I'm happy. And see, there's so much going on in my head, and can you just ignore my shoes over there? Yeah. Wow. Adulting. Cheers to that. So good. Thanks, Italy. Thank you so much. Okay, so this was my very simple first night in the new apartment all by myself. I actually didn't have much time. I moved in during the evening, so I didn't have much time to do anything else anyway. And it took me about 7 days to completely move into this apartment and make this house my home. I'm going to be posting that in the following videos. The next video of the next day will be out probably tomorrow, so subscribe for that. And yeah, this is the view from my apartment. I'm paying buttload of money for this apartment as a rent. It's expensive to live in London anyway, but when you have a view like this in the evening and a view like this in the night, isn't it just worth it? Stay tuned for the next video, which will be out tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I don't know, let's see. But till then, here's a video of me finally realizing that the sheets that I got were not meant for a double bed. and I had to sleep in the guest room, which was single bed, on my first night in the apartment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next parts. And till then, stay happy and healthy, both physically and mentally. I'm gonna see you very, very soon. Take care. Bye.